two pronunciation. The first, onyomi reading. New. The next, kunyomi reading. Iru. Hairu. The kunyomi have two sounds. Are you seeing here? Iru and hairu. This kanji mean enter or insert. For example, you enter to some place or you insert something to some place. You use this kanji. The first example you can see here. We have the compound noun like this. Nyukaku. Nyukaku is mean entrance. Entry to school. And we have the example like this. 明日は大学の入学式です。明日は大学の入学式です。Which means tomorrow is my university entrance ceremony. And the new is mean enter or entrance, and the gaku is mean school. So when you put the new to the gaku is mean enter to school or enter to the school. So this example in here we have the new gaku shiki. Shiki is mean the ceremony. So it mean when you enter to the university or just a high school or that they will have a ceremony. So in the case like this, they will use new gaku shiki. New gaku shiki mean entrance ceremony. For example, you can say 大学の入学式 or you can say high school is mean 高校の入学式. So every time you use the new gaku with the shiki is mean entrance ceremony. And another example, you can create a sentence like 入学式はいつですか? 入学式はいつですか? Which means when is the entrance ceremony? In here we don't specific for university or high school or just secondary school. So when you want to say about the university, you can put 大学の入学式はいつですか? Which means when is the university entrance ceremony? Or you can say 高校の入学式はいつですか? Which means when is the high school entrance ceremony? The next compound now we have 購入. 購入 is mean purchase or buy. In here we have the example like 昨年 POS システムを購入しました。昨年 POS システムを購入しました。Which means we bought the POS system last year. 購入 is mean buy or purchase, and you can use another word like 買います or 買う or 買います. They also mean buy, but the word 購入 they will use when you're writing the report or when you write down they will use the 購入. But when you say about just say about the conversation, you can say 買う or 買います POS system を買います or POS system を購入します It just had the same meaning, but we just use in the different situation. such as the general conversation, and when you write in the report, or when you write down on the paper, you use the konyo, right? And another example we have here, kinyu. Kinyu is mean filling in the forms. Filling in the forms. Ki is mean write something down, or you just note something down is mean ki. But new is mean insert, right? Insert or enter. So when you put the word then note something down and the insert, which means you filling something in the paper or in the form. So in here we have a key news mean filling in the forms. As in here we have the example like namae o kinyu shite kudasai. Namae o kinyu shite kudasai, which means please enter your name. Or when you say in the polite, you can say o namae o kinyu shite kudasai. O namae o kinyu shite kudasai is mean please enter your name. But when you want to say that enter, where to enter, for example, where to enter, you can say like form is mean the form. Form ni namae o kinyu shite kudasai, which means please enter your name to the form. These usually happen when you go to the post office, or when you go to the some office that they will say o namae to jusho o kinyu shite kudasai. O namae to jusho o kinyu shite kudasai, which means please fill in your name and address, which means you have to write down your name and your address. Or you can say like another for example, you want to say that I write down my daily work to the paper, which means 毎日の仕事の一覧を記入しています。毎日の仕事一覧を記入しています。which means I write down